one with roses, one with carnations.
Remind me, I need to do this after this. Hello.
Hi.
Hiya.
Yes.
People say that's their hobby to make, you know, some people have a hobby. Will be looks cool, you know. Earring will be look so cool.
Yeah. Hi.
Hiya, are you okay?
Oh, that's beautiful.
Yeah, all real flowers, but we got some fake flower ones down there. So
I'm fascinated. That looks absolute. I would never have thought to have done that with real flowers.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
There is some fake flowers as well over there mixed.
yeah, people can come and have
You
a
can
go.
join us.
Yeah, you
trying
can
to
have a
make
go.
something bags here.
Do you want to go?
Yeah, why not? Why not take a seat, please? Yeah.
No, go on. No, I want to watch you.
So we got sequins, we got stuff here as well.
Yeah,
You
we
can,
got little bits. We got frames if you want to
small
just
bags.
slap some
we
stickers
got
on
frames
something.
as well. Here are the frames.
Yeah,
You could join us if you know.
but you can make.
Do you just put the flowers in the...
Yeah.
We just your idea. Use whatever.
Do whatever you like.
We got glue
so we got
here,
stickers
we
and
got fresh
bits.
flowers, other fake flowers as well.
Yeah.
Go for it, Joanna.
I'm really tempted, John.
Do it. Come on.
Come on.
But
Well, take a seat.
I'm not very good at like creative
Well, try
stuff.
yourself, you know, try
Yeah,
yourself.
you might surprise yourself.
Well, what? Like, there's all the whole talk about like, oh, I'm not good at it. I'm not good at it. We don't do things to be good at them. We do things to enjoy them.
Yeah, we love to do that.
That's true. That's really true. I'm gonna keep this at my on my
Yeah,
office
yeah.
desk if it comes
Why
out
not?
good.
Why
If
not?
it comes out good.
Yeah, you
if it does that, I'll gift it to Joe.
Yeah, that's cool.
Oh wow. What should I go with, Joe? I do.
You can use anything. We got everything here. You can
Yeah.
use this box as well.
Yeah.
Use
Sparkles and
Yeah.
bells. Oh, you've got
Stars and gems. We've got some little stickers. I think we've got some silk rose petals here.
we got tape here as well.
Yeah, we got some more fake flowers if you want more of a selection.
This is so therapeutic.
Even just like sounds silly. Even just taking
It's
apart
very-
like these
very
petals to thread on,
creative,
it's
yeah.
very soothing
Yeah.
because it's so soft.
Yeah.
Do you want to do the other one?
Go for it, Joe. Oh, come on, have a look. It took me my
Joe's
phone-
really good.
my phone out, and I'm so not.
You see.
You are.
Oh my gosh, that
This smells
one is gorgeous as well.
We've got the rose heads, we've got carnations, chrysanthemums, we've got everything.
So you just pulling a petal off and
Yep.
then threading it on. What a genius idea.
Well, that's Rubina's idea.
My friend's mum, when she was very little, when she lost a tooth, she used to get a rose petal out of the garden, and she used to write very finely on it a message from the tooth fairy on a
Oh my
rose.
gosh, that's so
Can
cute.
you imagine?
How delicate must you be able to write?
I know. Oh, mine's not going to match yours because yours has got petals that side as well, hasn't it?
You can just slide off the rose.
I can, can't I?
Yeah.
I mean, becoming therapeutic, haven't you?
Would you like a chair?
No, I'm fine, thanks.
This is such a lovely idea.
Isn't it?
Thank you. Plus, you know, you can create
that's
things
really
I
good
like
too.
that.
Yeah.
I really like that.
You've got the super glue and the glue stick, so you can use what you like.
What you could do is put the frame on and then have them so that they're sort of overlapping the frame.
See.
How many you can come for? About half dozen.
Just go on vibes, just how you
Just-
feel
yeah,
it.
Just go.
Just feel it.
Go with the flow.
It'll look beautiful either way, won't it?
Yeah, it will.
Oh, I'm so glad you managed to get out.
Yeah, me too. This is much better than doing diary management.
Do some.
Even you can make your own choices, right?
Yeah.
So more colors here.
Do whatever you want. Yeah, we got those ones over there. Do whatever you like. we got mums, we got carnations, we got roses, we got I can't remember what they're called. They begin with a G. I just call them giant daisies. Gerberas or something like that.
Oh, that's amazing. So I heard them practicing in the garden my episode was in. I thought they were going to be dancing out there and I got quite excited.
Well, you get to see them. I've never actually taken apart a chrysanthemum and seen what the.
No, me neither. They're really pretty, aren't they?
They're my favourites.
Oh, are they?
Yeah, I love carnations.
They last so well, don't they? These cut flowers too.
Yeah. One that you thread on.
It's the one we've got to it. Oh, oh, flipping heck.
I mean, it's fine. We've got loads of roses.
Oh no, that was, look, that, yes, you're right, that
There you
was.
go.
Ruined it. Yes, that one matches that one. Oh gosh, sorry.
What are you sorry for?
Wrecking the roses.
We brought them here so they can be torn apart to make jewellery. Don't worry.
Are you going to sell the jewellery later?
No, we're not selling today because it's all been like handed out and given to
Oh right.
for the thing. But we've done jewellery sales in the past. I've done some jewellery sales in the past for like different events.
Yeah.
So it's not. I don't know how that's turning out, but
I like that. That's really nice.
thank you. I need another pink one because that wasn't as strong enough.
Oh, smell of those good.
Hanging from your ears, you can have the smell all day.
Oh, good, couldn't I? Yeah.
Wipe the pin first before you put them in your ears.
Oh, how wonderful.
Blue tack. Where did it's down here. There it is. Hold on. One sec.
Thank you.
No problem.
You think's gonna take picture. What?
This.
You're so stay.
Thanks, not.
Oh wow.
That is beautiful. I'm going to send Rafaela down here, our chief people officer. She will absolutely love that.